Hey, what's up friends? Welcome to a new vlog. Today we are in El Nido and we're gonna do an island hopping boat tour. We got Pema over here and we have our new friend Louis.
Hi.
And he actually organized all this for us. So you said we're doing Tour C, right?
Exactly, Tour C.
And there's some other information which last year we went on a combination tour, but apparently they don't do combination tours anymore.
Yeah,
and also,
sadly, today it's forbidden combination tours. And in order to do big lagoon or small lagoon, you have to ask 4 days in advance and pay an extra fee.
So if you come anytime in the near future and you want to go to big or small lagoon, you gotta book 4 days in advance. We didn't do that, so we're not going to big or small lagoon today, but we're still gonna have a good time. So let's go. So we decided to go with a private tour because as you can see behind us, there are a lot of boats and some of them are very big that hold up to 30, 40 people, but we actually met Louis and his parents on the van ride from the airport in Puerto Princesa here to El Nido, and we decided to team up with them to get our own private boat, which cost a little bit more. It's usually very worth it to get a private tour because you don't have to deal with the very big crowds. So hopefully today we can avoid the large crowds at some of these stops.
Let's do it! You guys excited?
Yeah! First stop today is at a place called Hidden Beach. Let's go check it out. It makes sense why they call this place Hidden Beach because as you can see, there's a big rock right here that hides this beautiful beach. This is amazing.
We just arrived at Secret Beach. Francis, can you tell us about Secret Beach, please?
We're now here in Secret Beach, but it's not secret anymore.
Yeah.
Lunchtime and we have some delicious foods. Ooh, there's a bunch of fruit too. Look at these fancy little platter. Got a lovely fish and chicken and vegetables and all the Filipino goodies. All right, so we're learning some more Filipino words. So instead of saying let's eat, we say
Kain na.
kain na.
Yes.
Kain na.
Kain na tayo.
Kain na tayo. We just had some lunch. Now it's time to go snorkeling. I'm wearing a life jacket because my back is getting really sunburned, and when you're face down in the water, it is back to the sun. So I don't want to be a lobster anymore. All right, time to go snorkeling. Let's do it. Woo! Last stop today is at a place called Helicopter Island. You get to relax on this beautiful beach. You can go snorkeling here, but I think we're just gonna kind of relax. Maybe if there's a bar up there, I might grab some drinks to end the day right. So here in the Philippines, they call coconuts buko, and right now we're getting buko rum. This lady's chopping up some fresh coconuts and filling it with some rum for us. Yeah! He turned around. All right, we have finished our boat tour and we actually came back to the town of El Nido. And now it is time to enjoy a beautiful sunset. We came to a secret location. Sorry, I can't tell you where this is, but the sun's about to go down. Pema, did you enjoy your day?
I did.
That was a beautiful, wonderful boat tour. We saw the lovely islands near El Nido, and we also took some really cool photos. You want to show them some photos we took?
Let's do it.
that's where we're gonna end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed exploring El Nido with us. Tomorrow we are going to Port Barton, and of course we're bringing you with us. So if you are not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button to follow our adventures here in the Philippines, and we will see you in the next vlog. Peace.